Hello and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is illuminate. Let's discover what this versatile word means. Illuminate means to light up something or to make an idea easier to understand. It can describe both physical light and the process of explaining something clearly. Here's an example. The teacher used simple examples to illuminate a difficult concept. This means the examples helped students understand the lesson more easily. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word illuminate? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon!